slime lane, I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys, ireview back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at these Yeezy 500 Soft Visions. These are from UAShoe. They're a UA pair of shoes, of course, as with everything I review for the most part. If you guys are new to the channel and you're into that sort of stuff and you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like on the video, show some love even if you're a current subscriber that follows my shit, and last but not least, turn on notifications. And also don't forget to follow the Instagram. Link is in the description as always, at ireview. With all that being said, let's get into it, man. Not going to be too long of a review because they're nothing new. It's just a new colorway of something we've seen before, of course. It took about a week to get here by EMS shipping, no issues whatsoever. Have ordered from UAShoe in the past with no issues. So although I don't condone anything, or I like to say I don't condone on the video, this is a trusted seller in my opinion. So let's get into it, man. I think I covered for the most part more or less everything I need to cover. So here's all their information. So the website is uashoe.com. Instagram is at uashoeservice688. WhatsApp is right there as well if you want to contact them on that. And their email is uashoeservice688@gmail.com. So if you want to contact them, there's all the stuff. If you want to browse the site, of course, it's at uashoe.com. And yeah, man. So let's put the shoes to the side. Take a quick look at the box. You know, typical stuff. You got the 500 on the top. Nothing on the side. Nothing on the side, of course, because usually that's reserved for the Boost. It says Boost on the side if it's a Boost shoe, but we all know by now that 500s are not Boost technology. They're just Adidas. Nothing on the inside. Just get this paper. No StockX stuff with this pair. I don't bother asking for it anymore. I just don't care. But if you want that sort of stuff, like the StockX paperwork and the sticker, make sure to ask for it and they should be able to get it to you. So these are Yeezy 500, 5.5 men's, which translates to 7 women's, which these are for my girl. So obviously they're not for me, so they're just a little Christmas present. One of the Christmas presents for my girlfriend. So Soft Vision, EPC inside. You got the code for the shoes. Yeah, pretty simple. Say made in India. I don't know if I've never noticed that. I don't know, have they always been made in India? I don't know. These are definitely not made in India because they're made in China, because that's where they came from. But yeah, that's kind of odd. Don't know if that's supposed to be there, or maybe it is. I just haven't been keeping up. No idea. I don't really read that deep usually, so it is what it is. You got the Adidas on the bottom. Nothing else for the most part. Everything is a-okay as per usual. And finally, let's take a look at these shoes themselves. So the Yeezy 500 Soft Visions. I don't know if these are released to retail just yet. If they have, it's something recent, or if they are, it's something recent for sure. Am I a fan of this colorway? Meh. I'm a guy, not to say that guys can't wear colors like this, but it's just not my you know, cup of coffee. Definitely nice for the chicks and stuff for sure, because most Yeezys are catered towards unisex, either unisex or more so for males, just the colorways that they have. And I like to see a little bit of a different colorway, of course, coming from Adidas, that suits, you know, kind of targets more towards the female audience. So yeah, I don't know how well you guys can see it, but it is a mostly purple shoe, or a violet shoe. Pretty sweet colors though, for sure. You got some light purples, light violets. You got the suede. Might look a little gray on camera, but it is a nice pinkish color. You can see how just color changing it is. So the suede on this, A+ for quality. Honestly, really soft, really like soft and proper. Got the long hairs on there that change color, so cannot complain there. Let me run over the tags real quick as well. You have the typical Yeezy tag on the left, And then this one that says Adidas Original, it's an RFID tag, and just says the sizing information, which does seem to be correct as well, which is pretty dope. And it does have the RFID chip in there as well, so not too sure what that's used for, but it is there. On the inside of the shoe, it says Adidas Yeezy Ortholite, of course, with the Ortholite insole as per usual. I don't know where the size tag is on these. Oh, actually it's on the tongue, forgot. Been a while since I touched a pair of 500s, honestly. So there's a size tag. Again, it does say made in India, so guess these are supposed to be made in India. What was I gonna say? I was gonna touch on one more thing. Oh yeah, I was just gonna say, like, I saw the stone Yeezy 500s. I really fuck with those, honestly, because basically what they changed, they actually changed materials. Instead of this mesh here, it's just flat, like it looks like velvet, or not velvet, just like, I don't know, it's just padded, right? Like it doesn't have these little holes like mesh, like the mesh that they normally use on. Damn, these are really soft, man. They're really fucking soft. So definitely a pair of shoes for comfort, 100%. Every pair of Yeezy 500s I personally worn and own, one of the comfiest pairs of shoes for sure. So you can see, besides that, the materials are all on point. Stitching is all on point. You got the 3M all throughout, starting from the back here, going all the way there, coming around through this side, and touching all the way down to the back. That is not the only 3M on this shoe. Of course, right here underneath the suede, for the lace holes, there's a little 3M panel. Just everything's outlined in 3M, where the suede is beyond the toe box suede, obviously. So yeah, there's that. So yeah, you got some more mesh on the back, tons of padding on the shoe. Like, it's definitely a chunky dad shoe sort of vibe for sure. These, which is pretty unique, you got the gum bottom, so there's all the waves with the non-marking sole, or non-marking outsole. The shoe looks so funky, man. It's been a minute since I touched a pair of 500s, honestly, but definitely a clean looking pair of dad shoes for sure. Got Adidas on the toe box. I don't know if that the little black shit is inside. I could probably get it out some way somehow, unless it's actually inside the material. Oh yeah, came off. So there you go. Yeah, you can just see, like, the overall build and quality of the shoe is insane, like super proper. So stoked about these. I'm sure my girl would love it. I already showed her that I'm getting these, and she said she's a pretty big fan. Never really was a fan of the 500s until she saw, again, kind of like this girly colorway of them that caters more towards females. Not to say that that men can't wear them, don't get me wrong, guys. Not trying to get attacked for that. You guys wear what you want, of course. It's not a colorway that I would see myself wearing, that's all I'm saying. And I'm usually one for just black and toned down colors for sure, so that might be it. But I do pull out some pretty colorful stuff sometimes. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I think I touched on everything for the most part. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are about this shoe. Are you gonna cop it if it's gonna drop, or if it still hasn't dropped, or did you cop it if it did drop? I'm not too sure. I haven't been keeping up with release calendars for most shoes, especially not Yeezys. I just go with the flow, man. When I see the sellers start posting pictures, that's when I decide if I'm a cop, because they're the OGs. They get everything early, so you know your boy likes to get stuff early and not wait for the fucking releases in stores. So with all that being said, I'm gonna let you guys go. Let me know your thoughts on this pair of Yeezy 500 Soft Visions, again from UAShoe. With all that being said, hopefully y'all stay blessed. Have a great day, have a great weekend, have a great night, have a great morning, whatever time y'all watching this video. And yeah, stay tuned for more heat. Peace.